Ashish Gokhale is asking that you always recommend to keep a minimum of 3 to 5 months in a mutual fund folio. I have a separate folio for my wife. Shall I keep the same fund in both the folios? I think so. The reason why I say that 3 to 5 funds, because any more funds leads to too much of diversification and it is not beneficial. If you actually own 10 funds of different kind, I would say that go and buy an index fund. You are guaranteed to get a lower expense, and you don't run the risk, because when you buy 10 funds, 12 funds, because I come across a lot of people share their portfolios with me on Value Research Online, and I don't find them to be an investor. For some reason, what happened, there are many reasons why it happens. People invest sporadic, not in a planned manner. Once in a while you invest. So whatever was, recommended at that point, you invest. Most people invest in a fairly ad hoc manner, that now you have 50,000 which got collected in your bank account or accumulated in your bank account. So you think of investing. Investing has not been a very regular affair. So once in a while you have that 50,000, and then another year you have another 50,000 or some tax saving fund. So whatever was recommended at that point you keep. So you end up being a collector. And that collection of funds is not a great idea, because when you end up having diverse kind of funds and too many of them, you end up having a portfolio without a focus. Make a choice. Buy two, three. The objective of investing in an equity fund is pretty straightforward: instant diversification, professional management, and your selection should reflect that the professional management is adding value, and then the convenience. So be regular with your investment. Decide on those two, three funds. And why I say 3, 4 funds? Because you are interested. You become interested. When you have 20 funds and some 5% money invested in all of them, when they do very well, they don't have an impact on your portfolio, meaningful impact on your portfolio. And when they do very poorly, you tend to ignore them. That okay, not much money is there. Why worry? So once you have meaningful money, once you have 3 or 4 funds, 25% of your capital, of your net worth will be in a fund. You'll be interested, and when something happens, you'll be worried. You will act when it is time. So, just for the sake of investment, for being interested, it is worthwhile to have 3, 4 funds, and you don't diversification beyond a point in India does not help.